बच्चों, हाउ आर यू ऑल? आई होप यू ऑल आर फाइन. आई एम योर मैथ्स टीचर अंजलि दैया. स्टार्ट करते हैं आज का टॉपिक, नोइंग आवर नंबर्स. इंट्रोडक्शन. As we know that numbers play a vital role in our lives, so it is important for us to become well versed with them. Let us briefly view our knowledge about numbers up to 5 digits and then move forward to learn about numbers having 6 digits or more. Now, extension of number system. Greatest 1 digit number plus 1 is equals to 10, which is the smallest 2 digit number. Greatest 2 digit number plus 1 is equals to 100, which is the smallest 3 digit number. Greatest 3 digit number plus 1 is equals to 1000, which is smallest 4 digit number. Greatest 4 digit number plus 1 is equals to 10,000, which is the smallest 5 digit number. Greatest 5 digit number plus 1 is equals to 1 lakh. It is called 1 lakh and it is the smallest 6 digit number. Greatest 6 digit number plus 1, it is called 10 lakh and it is the smallest 7 digit number. Greatest 7 digit number plus 1, it is called 1 crore and it is the smallest 8 digit number. Greatest 8 digit number plus 1, it is called 10 crores and it is the smallest 9 digit number. Now, there are two systems to express a number. First is Indian system of numeration, second is international system of numeration. In both these systems, a number is split up to two groups or called periods. These periods are further divided into places. Let us discuss both the systems of numeration in detail. First is Indian system of numeration. In this system of numeration, there are 4 periods, namely ones, thousands, lakhs and crores, which are further divided into 9 places. The Indian place value chart up to 10 crores is as follows. Periods and places: ones, thousands, lakhs and crores. It's ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore and 10 crore. As we have seen that large numbers have more digits. So, to avoid confusion in reading and writing of such numbers, commas are used. In Indian system of numeration, each period is separated by comma and first comma is put after 3 digits starting from right. Thereafter, commas are put after every 2 digits from the right. For example, 7943868810 can be written as 79,43,86,810 and can be read as 79 crore 43 lakh 86,810. Now, second is international system of numeration. In this system of numeration, there are 4 periods, namely ones, thousands, millions and billions, which are further divided into 12 places. The international place value chart up to 100 billion is as follows. Now, periods and places: ones, thousands, millions and billions. Ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million, 100 million, billion, 10 million and 100 billion. Here we will deal only with 3 periods, namely ones, thousands and millions. In international system of numeration, each period is also separated by comma. Commas are put after every 3 digits starting from the right. For example, 8453867 can be written as 8,453,867 and can be read as 8,453,867. Now, comparison of both system of numeration. Let us draw both the place value chart vertically and then compare them. Now, Indian system and international system. Ones period हमारे दोनों के सेम है, ones, tens and 100. Then thousands period और यहाँ पे हमारे thousands period. यहाँ पे हमारा जो है lakh है, that it becomes 100,000. 1000, 10,000 same है. Lakhs become 100,000 and 10 lakhs becomes 1 million. 1 crore becomes 10 million and 10 crores becomes 100 million. On comparing both the system of numeration, we have observed that 1 lakh is equals to 100,000, 10 lakh is equals to 1 million, 1 crore is 10 million and 10 crore is 100 million. Keep in mind, while writing number name, we do not use commas. This comparison will help us to write the number names from Indian system to international system and vice versa. For example, consider a number 76,32,814 and write the number name using international system of numeration. So, Indian system 1 stands 100,000, 10,000, lakh and 10 lakh. और यहाँ पे international system 1 stands 100,000, 10,000, 100,000 and million. So, 7 million. Thus, 76,32,814 can be written as 7,632,814. Now, face value and place value. Face value. The face value of a digit in a number is the digit itself, whatever place it occupies in the place value chart. For example, 2,36,415, the face value of 5 is 5, 1 is 1, 4 is 4, 6 is 6, 3 is 3 and 2 is 2. Now place value. Every digit in a number has different place value. The place value of each digit in a number depends upon the position it occupies in the place value chart. So we use place value chart to find the place values of the digits in a number. For example, consider the number 36,24,578. Arrange it in place value chart. Now place value में arrange किया ones, thousands and lakhs, ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. Now 36,24,578. In this number, place value of 8 is 8 ones, place value of 7 is 7 tens, place value of 5 is 500, place value of 4 is 4,000, place value of 2 is 2 10,000, place value of 6 is 6 lakh and place value of 3 is 3 10 lakhs. Now keep in mind, place value of 0 is always 0, whatever place it occupies in the place value chart. Now expanded form. As we know that each digit in a number has a place value according to its position. So to express a number as the sum of the place values of its digit is known as its expanded form. For example, expanded form of 10 crore 2,65,218 is 10 crore plus 2 lakh plus 60,000 plus 5,000 plus 200 plus 10 plus 5. Keep in mind, summation of all the place values of a number is its standard form or short form. Now solved examples. Example करते हैं. Using commas, write the number 85324169 according to Indian place value chart and international place value chart. Solution करते हैं इसका. A part. On arranging the number in Indian place value chart, we get. That is Indian place value chart लिखा. It is 8 crore 53,24,169 और as per Indian place value chart, first 3 digit के बाद comma, after 2 digits के बाद comma. Using comma, we write it as 8,53,24,169. Now B is, on arranging the number in international place value chart, we get. हमने international place value chart लिखा. It becomes 85,324,169. Using commas, we write it as 85,324,169. Now next example. Given below are some numbers arranged in Indian place value chart. Write each number in words and in expanded form. These are the numbers. Solution करते हैं A part. The given number using commas is 3,56,34,961 in words. Words में लिखेंगे 3 crore 56 lakh 34,961 और expanded form में लिखेंगे that is 3 crore plus 50 lakh plus 6 lakh plus 30,000 plus 4,000 plus 900 plus 60 plus 1. Now B part. The given number using commas is 12, 46, 78, 732. In words, it is 12 crore 46 lakh 78,732. Expanded form, 10 crores plus 2 crores plus 40 lakh plus 6 lakh plus 70,000 plus 8,000 plus 700 plus 30 plus 2. Now next example. Given below are some numbers arranged in international place value chart. Write each number in words and in expanded form. ये international place value chart given है, solution करते हैं. First वाला, the given numbers using commas is 1, 497, 632. In words, 1,497,632. Expanded form, that is 1 million plus 400,000 plus 90,000 plus 7,000 plus 600 plus 30 plus 2. Now B part, the given number using commas is 749,645,189. In words, 749,645,189. Expanded form, 700 million plus 40 million plus 9 million plus 600,000 plus 40,000 plus 5,000 plus 100 plus 80 plus 9. Next example. Find the face value of 5 in 3, 19, 563. Solution करते हैं इसका. The face value of 5. 5 किसी भी place पे हो, face value हमेशा same रहती है. 5 in 3,19,563 is 5. Now next example. Find the difference of the place value of 2 3s in 3 crore 67 lakh 45,132. The place value of 3 at crores place. तो solution में हम देखते हैं 3 का crore place पे क्या रहेगा, 3 multiplied by 1 crore is equals to 3 crore, and the place value of 3 at 10th place is 3 multiplied by 10 is equals to 30. So difference is equals to 3 crore minus 30 is 2 crore 99 lakh 99,970. Now next example. How many 8-digit numbers are there in all? Solution करते हैं. Largest 8-digit number कौन सा होता है? 8 times 9. And smallest 8-digit number is 1 crore. तो number of all 8-digit numbers is 9 crore 99 lakh 99,999 minus 1 crore plus 1. That is 8 crore 99 lakh 99,999 plus 1 is equals to how many? It's 9 crore. तो बच्चों सेम मेथड को यूज करते हुए एक्सरसाइज आप खुद ट्राई करेंगे. Now next is comparing numbers. In order to compare two numbers, following steps are followed. Step 1. Count the number of digits in each number. If the given numbers have unequal number of digits, then the number with more digits is greater than the number with less digits. If the numbers have equal number of digits, then proceed to step 2. Step 2. Compare the digits at the leftmost place in both the numbers. The number with the greatest digit is greater. If the leftmost digits are equal, then compare the second digit from the left and go to the step 3. Step 3. If the second digit from the left are unequal, then the number with the greater digit is greater. If the second digit from the left in both the numbers are equal, then compare the third digit from the left and continue the above process till we come across unequal digits at the corresponding places. The number with the greater digit at the corresponding place is greater. Now ascending order. Ascending order means to arrange the numbers from the smallest to greatest. Descending order. Descending order means to arrange the numbers from the greatest to smallest. Now solved examples. Example करते हैं. Which is greater? 43,72,901 or 3,71,888. Solution करते हैं. Number of digits in 43,72,901 is 7 and the number of digits in 3,71,888 is 6. तो 7 digit का number बड़ा होगा. A number with more digit is greater. So 43,72,901 is greater than 3,71,888. Now next example. Which is greater, 1,64,73,918 और 1,69,72,345. Solution करते हैं. Number of digits in both the given numbers is equals to 8. The digit at crores and 10 lakhs places in both the numbers are same. करोड़ और lakhs place पे 10 lakh place पे same है. But at the lakhs place, first number has digit 4 while the second number has 9 or 4 is less than 9. So 1,69,72,345 is greater than 1,64,73,918. Now next example. Arrange the following numbers in ascending and descending order. Numbers given है, solution करते हैं. On comparing the given numbers we get 90,046 is less than 90,304 is less than 90,403 is less than 90,406 is less than 94,060. So the numbers arranged in ascending order are as follows. 90,046, 90,304, 90,403, 90,406, 94,060 and the numbers arranged in descending order are as follows. Reverse कर देंगे. सबसे पहले सबसे बड़ा number that is 94,060, 90,406, 90,403, 90,304, 90,046. Now next is successor and predecessor. Successor. The successor is the number that comes just after the given number. It is obtained by adding 1 to the given number. For example, 8 plus 1 is equals to 9, 19 plus 1 is equals to 20, 101 plus 1 is equals to 102. Therefore, 9 is the successor of 8, 20 is the successor of 19 and 102 is the successor of 101. Now next is predecessor. The predecessor is the number that comes just before the given number. It is obtained by subtracting 1 from the given number. For example, 28 minus 1 is equals to 27, 103 minus 1 is equals to 102, 1000 minus 1 is 999. Therefore, 27 is the predecessor of 28, 102 is the predecessor of 103 and 999 is the predecessor of 1000. Now next is formation of numbers. Formation of greater number. In order to form the greatest number using the given digits, we follow the given rules. Rule 1. To form the greatest number, arrange the given digits in descending order. Rule 2. If we have less numbers of digits than the required number of digits to form the greatest number, then after writing the digit in descending order, prefix the greatest digit as many times as required. Now next is formation of smallest number. In order to form the smallest number using the given digits, we follow the given rules. Rule 1. To form the smallest number, arrange the given digits in ascending order. Rule 2. If we have less number of digits than the required number of digits to form the smallest number, then after writing the digits in ascending order, prefix the smallest digit as many times as required. Keep in mind. In order to form the smallest number, whenever one of the digits is 0, always place the 0 at the second place from the extreme left. For example, the smallest number with given digits 4032 is 2034. Now, solved examples. Example करते हैं. Form the greatest 6-digit number using the digits 9, 5, 6, 3, 1 and 0 only once. Solution करते हैं. On arranging the given digits in descending order, we get 9, 6, 5, 3, 1 and 0. Hence, the greatest 6-digit number is 965,310. Now, next example. Form the greatest 5-digit number using the digits 4, 8 and 3. Solution करते हैं. On arranging the given digits in descending order, we get 8, 4, and 3. Here we have 3 given digits and the greatest digit among 8, 4 and 3 is 8. इन ऑर्डर टू मेक ग्रेटेस्ट 5 डिजिट नंबर, हमें 3 डिजिट गिवन है बट 5 डिजिट का नंबर बनाना है, वी हैव टू प्रीफिक्स, सबसे बड़ा नंबर क्या है 8, 8 को हम 2 टाइम्स वहां पे प्रीफिक्स करेंगे, हेंस द ग्रेटेस्ट 5 डिजिट नंबर इज 88843. नाउ नेक्स्ट एग्जाम्पल, form the smallest 5 digit number using the digits 2, 3, 4, 6 and 5 only once. Solution करते हैं. On arranging the given digits in ascending order, we get 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Hence, the smallest 5 digit number is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now, next example. Form the smallest 4 digit number using the digits 7, 2 and 3. Solution करते हैं. On arranging the given digits in ascending order, we get 2, 3 and 7. Here we have 3 given digits and the smallest digit among 2, 3 and 7 is 2. In order to make smallest 4 digit number, we have to prefix 2 one time. Hence, the smallest 4 digit number is 2237. Now, next example. Form the greatest and the smallest 4 digit numbers without repetition of digits such that 5 at tens place and 2 at thousands place. Solution करते हैं. A part. On taking 5 at tens place, greatest number, ones, tens, 100, 1000. tens place पे हम 5 रखेंगे और ग्रेटेस्ट नंबर बनाएंगे तो 9, 8 and 7, 9, 8 and 7 एंड स्मॉलेस्ट बनाएंगे तो 1, 0, 5 and 2. बी पार्ट, ऑन टेकिंग 2 at 1000 प्लेस, तो ग्रेटेस्ट नंबर बनाएंगे, 1000 प्लेस पे हमारा फिक्स है, ग्रेटेस्ट और स्मॉलेस्ट दोनों नंबर में 2 आएगा, तो ग्रेटेस्ट नंबर बनाने के लिए सबसे बड़ा नंबर क्या है 9, 9 then 8 then 7, that is 2987 and the smallest number is 2 के बाद 0 and 1 and 3, 2013. Now next example, write the greatest 6 digit number using 3 different digits. Solution करते हैं. The 3 different greatest digits are 9, 8 and 7. In order to make greatest 6 digit number, we have to prefix greatest digit, that is 9 3 times. So, the greatest 6 digit number is 999987. Now, next example. Find all possible numbers of 3 digits that can be formed by the digit 5, 2 and 1 using each digit only once. Solution करते हैं. The given digits are 5, 2 and 1 and the repetition of digit in any number is not allowed. Keeping 1 at one's place, 3 digit numbers are 5, 2, 1 and 2, 5, 1. Keeping 1 at tens place, 3 digit number is 5, 1, 2 and 2, 1, 5. Keeping 1 at 100 place, 3 digit number is 1, 5, 2 and 1, 2, 5. मतलब एक नंबर का एक डिजिट का प्लेस आप फिक्स करो, बाकी दोनों जो नंबर्स है उनकी जो प्लेसेस है वो चेंज कर दो. तो required 3 digit numbers are as follows: 521, 251, 512, 215, 152, 125. तो बच्चों सेम मेथड को यूज करते हुए एक्सरसाइज आप खुद ट्राई करेंगे. Now next is large numbers in practice. In our daily life, we come across many situations where we use smaller and larger units for length, mass and capacity for our convenience. Now units of length. 1 centimeter is equals to 10 millimeter. 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeter. And 1 kilometer is equals to 1000 meter. So 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeter is equals to 100 multiplied by 10 mm is equals to 1000 mm. 1 kilometer is equals to 1000 meter is equals to 1000 multiplied by 100 centimeter is equals to 1 lakh centimeter. Now 1 kilometer is equals to 1 lakh centimeter and 1 lakh centimeter multiplied by 10 mm is equals to 10 lakh millimeter. Units of mass. 1 gram is equals to 1000 milligram and 1 kilogram is equals to 1000 grams. So 1 kilogram is equals to 1000 grams and 1000 multiplied by 1000 milligram is equals to 10 lakh milligram. Keep in mind, words like centi, kilo and milli are common to the units of length, mass and capacity. Kilo is the largest and it shows 1000 times greater. For example, 1 kilogram is equals to 1000 gram. Milli is the smallest and it shows 1000 times smaller. For example, 1 gram is equals to 1000 milligram. Centi shows 100 times smaller. For example, 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeter. Now, units of capacity. 1 liter is equals to 1000 milliliter and 1 kiloliter is equals to 1000 liter. So, 1 kiloliter is equals to 1000 liter and 1000 multiplied by 1000 milliliter is equals to 10,000 milliliter. Solved examples. Example करते हैं. A bathtub contains 120 liters of water. If 9700 milliliter of water drains out, how much water is left in the tub? सॉल्यूशन करते हैं इसका. वाटर इन द बाथ टब इज इक्वल्स टू कितना है 120 लीटर एंड वी नो दैट 1 लीटर इज इक्वल्स टू 1000 मिलीलीटर. तो 120 लीटर मल्टीप्लाई बाय 1000 इज इक्वल्स टू 1,20,000 मिलीलीटर. वाटर ड्रेन आउट कितना हो गया 9700 मिलीलीटर. वाटर लेफ्ट इन द टब इज 1,20,000 milliliter minus 9,700 milliliter is equals to 1,10,300 milliliter. That is equals to 110 liter 300 milliliter. Hence, 110 liter 300 milliliter water is left in the tub. Now, next example. Gupta bookstore sold books worth rupees 2,85,891 in the first week of June and books worth rupees 4,768 in the second week of the same month. How much was the sale for the 2 weeks together? In which week was the sale greater and by how much? Solution करते हैं. Sale in the first week is equals to rupees 2,85,891. Sale in the second week is 4,768. Together मतलब दोनों वीक की टोटल सेल. तो टोटल सेल फॉर द 2 weeks इज इक्वल्स टू दोनों को ऐड किया दैट इज इक्वल्स टू रुपीज 6,86,659 एंड 4,768 is greater than 2,85,891. The sale of the second week was greater than that of the first week and the difference कितनी ज्यादा है तो greatest में से smallest को माइनस कर दिया that is equals to rupees 1,14,877. Hence, the total sale for the 2 weeks is rupees 6,86,659 and the sale of the second week was greater than that of first week by rupees 1,14,877. Now, next example. The distance between Priya's house and her school is 1 kilometer 875 meter. Every day she walks both ways. Find the total distance covered by her in 6 days. Solution करते हैं. Distance covered by Priya in walking one way. एक तरफ कितना डिस्टेंस है 1 किलोमीटर 875 मीटर एंड वी नो दैट 1 किलोमीटर इज इक्वल्स टू 1000 मीटर. सो 1 किलोमीटर इज इक्वल्स टू 1000 प्लस 875 इज इक्वल्स टू 1875 मीटर. अब आ भी रही है और वापस भी जा रही है. डिस्टेंस कवर्ड बाय प्रिया इन वॉकिंग बोथ वेज इन अ डे इज 1875 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 2 मीटर इज इक्वल्स टू 3750 मीटर और टोटल डिस्टेंस उसका बताना है 6 डेज का. तो वी हैव टू मल्टीप्लाई. सो टोटल डिस्टेंस कवर्ड इन 6 डेज इज इक्वल्स टू 1 डे में वो जा रही है 3750 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 6 इज इक्वल्स टू 22,500 मीटर्स इन 6 डेज. That is 22 multiplied by 1000 plus 500. That becomes 22 kilometer 500 meter. Hence, she covered 22 kilometer 500 meter in 6 days. Now, next example. For making 16 shirts, 44 meter of cloth is needed. How much cloth is required for each shirt? Solution करते हैं. क्लोथ रिक्वायर्ड फॉर 16 शर्ट. 16 शर्ट बनाने में 44 मीटर चाहिए. मीटर से सेंटीमीटर में कन्वर्ट किया बाय मल्टीप्लाइंग 100 इट इज 4400 सेंटीमीटर बिकॉज 1 मीटर इज इक्वल्स टू 100 सेंटीमीटर. क्लोथ रिक्वायर्ड फॉर ईच शर्ट. एक शर्ट के लिए कितना चाहिए ज्यादा या कम? कम चाहिए ऑब्वियसली. तो वो 16 का है तो टोटल जितना कपड़ा है क्लोथ है डिवाइडेड बाय नंबर ऑफ शर्ट दैट इज 16. So 4400 centimeter divided by 16 is equals to 275 centimeter. Now 2 multiplied by 200 is 2 multiplied by 100, which becomes 2 meter and 75 centimeter. Hence, the cloth required for each shirt is 2 meter 75 centimeter. तो बच्चों सेम मेथड को यूज करते हुए एक्सरसाइज आप खुद ट्राई करेंगे. Now next is estimation. Estimation plays an important role in our life. If we want to purchase something, then we carry an estimated amount of money with us. Similarly, if we are planning to organize dinner in our home, then we estimate the number of persons coming for dinner. In arithmetic operations, estimation helps us in checking whether the calculation is reasonably correct or not. Hence, estimation is the process of finding out an approximate answer to an operation. It can be done by rounding off a number to the nearest 10, 100, thousands and so on. Now, rounding off a number to the nearest 10. Step 1. Consider the ones place digit of the given number. Step 2. If ones place digit is less than 5, replace ones place by 0 and keep the other digits as they are. Step 3. If ones place digit is 5 or more than 5, increase tens digit by 1 and replace ones digit by 0. Now next is rounding off a number to the nearest 100. Step 1. Consider the tens place digit of the given number. Step 2. If tens place digit is less than 5, replace tens place and ones place digit by 0 and keep the other digits as they are. Step 3. If tens place digit is 5 or more than 5, increase 100 place digit by 1 and replace each digit to its right by 0. That is ones place and tens place. Now next is rounding off a number to the nearest 1000. Step 1. Consider the 100 place digit of the given number. Step 2. If the 100 place digit is less than 5, replace hundreds, tens and ones digit by 0 and keep the other digits as they are. Step 3. If 100 place digit is 5 or more than 5, increase 1000 digit by 1 and replace each digit to its right by 0. That is 100, tens and ones. Keep in mind. In the same way, we can round off a number to the nearest 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, etc. Now, sold examples. Example. Estimate the sum of 64 and 89 to the nearest 10. Solution करते हैं. 64 is estimated to nearest 10 is 60. 89 is estimated to nearest 10 is 90. Hence, the required estimated sum is equals to 60 plus 90 is equals to 150. Now, next example. Estimate the difference of 312 and 104 to the nearest 100. Solution करते हैं. 312 is estimated to nearest 100 is 300. 104 is estimated to the nearest 100 is 100. Hence, the required difference is estimated difference is 300 minus 100 is equals to 200. Now, next example. Estimate the product of 367 and 231 by rounding off each of the number to the nearest 100. Solution करते हैं. 367 is estimated to the nearest 400. 231 is estimated to the nearest 100 is equals to 200. Hence, the required estimated product is 400 multiplied by 200 is equals to 80,000. Now, next example. Estimate the quotient of 3,764 and 4,280 by rounding off each of the number to the nearest 1000. Solution करते हैं. 3,764 is estimated to the nearest 1000 is 4,000. 4,280 is estimated to nearest 1000 is 4,000. Hence, the required estimated quotient is 4,000 divided by 4,000 is equals to 1. तो बच्चों सेम मेथड को यूज करते हुए एक्सरसाइज आप खुद ट्राई करेंगे. Now, next is Roman numerals. The numbers which we use daily like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. are Hindu-Arabic numerals. Unlike the Hindu-Arabic numbers, there is another system of numeration called Roman numeration system. The numbering system of ancient Rome, which uses only 7 symbols to write any number. These 7 symbols are I, V, X, L, C, D and M. The Hindu-Arabic system is purely based on place value system as discussed earlier, where zero plays a vital role, but Roman did not have any concept of zero. Generally, we use Roman numerals to represent dates, classes, periods in schools, etc. It is also used in clock dials. The symbol of Hindu-Arabic system and Roman numeration system can be tabulated as Roman numbers and Hindu-Arabic numerals. 1 is I, V is for 5, X is for 10, L is for 50, C is for 100, D is for 500, M is for 1000. With the help of these symbols, we may form all Roman numerals by adopting certain rules which are as follows. Rule 1. If a symbol is repeated, then its value is added as many times as it occurs. For example, 3 times I is equals to 3 times 1 is equals to 3. 3 times x is equals to 3 times 10 को प्लस कर देंगे, that is 30. 3 times c is equals to 3 times 100 को प्लस करेंगे, that is 300. Now rule 2. If a smaller symbol is written to the right of the greater symbol, then its value is added to the greater symbol. For example, Vi is equals to 5 plus 1 is equals to 6, Xv is equals to 10 plus 5 is equals to 15, Clx is equals to 100 plus 50 plus 10 is equals to 160. Now rule 3. If a smaller symbol is written to the left of the greater symbol, then its value is subtracted from the greater symbol. For example, IV is equals to 5 minus 1 is equals to 4, XL is equals to 50 minus 10 is equals to 40, CD is equals to 500 minus 100 is equals to 400. Keep in mind, symbol I can only be subtracted from V and X, symbol X can only be subtracted from L and C, symbol C can be subtracted from D and M. Symbol V, L and D are never written to the left of the greater symbol. Now solved examples. Example, express the following as Roman numerals. 39. Solution करते हैं. 39. 39 is 30 plus 9. That is equals to 3 times 10 plus 10 minus 1. That is triple X IX. 95. 90 plus 5 is 100 minus 10 plus 5, that is XCV. 964, that is 900 plus 60 plus 4, that is 1000 minus 100 plus 50 plus 10 plus 5 minus 1, that is CMLXIV. Now D is 574 is equals to 500 plus 70 plus 4 is equals to 500 plus 50 plus 10 plus 10 plus 5 minus 1, that is DLXXIV. Now next example, express the following Roman numerals as Hindu-Arabic numerals. A is DLXXV. Solution करते हैं. DLXXV is equals to 500 plus 50 plus 10 plus 10 plus 5 is equals to 575. B is triple C, triple X, triple I, that is 3 times 100 plus 3 times 10 plus 3 times 1, that is equals to 333. C is XLIX. 50 minus 10 plus 10 minus 1 is equals to 40 plus 9 is equals to 49. D is LXXVI, that is 50 plus 3 times 10 plus 5 plus 1 is equals to 86. तो बच्चों सेम मेथड को यूज करते हुए एक्सरसाइज आप खुद ट्राई करेंगे. आई होप आपको चैप्टर समझ आया. इसका रिवीजन आप खुद करेंगे.